to another video. Today, I'm going to the house. So this is outside. We got Craftsman 100 LT lawnmower plow. With the plow, with the shot, which is the ATV. The V got the I think it's a Dodge or Chevrolet. I don't know if y'all do the deer hunting seasons and stuff. I got the, yep, it's a Chevrolet. I should know it. Yeah, it's the back of the four-wheeler guy. Down my hall. Got the Dodge. Dun dun dun. Got the Dodge. Got the tractors and stuff down here. Then we got down here. We got the apple tree. And get the bikes and more tractors. This is where we do some more videos. These deer tracks right here. Got some deer tracks in the yard. That's normal. So you just follow these up. It's so cold. Some more deer track. We gotta go another deer track. Another one right there. We're coming up here. You just can't tell. But this is a hard deal. Most of you come in here to you. You got another deer track. This one, the deer. Just got some more deer tracks. The shed where we put some stuff. So it's a 3-story house. No, I'm joking, it's 2. You got the Bambi tree. Got the llama, get my little pit bike, well, it used to be a pit bike. So took the engine off. Add some stuff, add a new chain. So you got get some more tracks. You got the cum cabinet. 24 and 24. Get the white Hydro Max T 6T GT 205 Ohio. Get the Craftsman LT 2000. A couple of lawnmowers. At the Bellins Law Tractor, got TS 1500. You got the Noah Tex 109. Got the John Deere LA 120. This is mine. And you got the Noah Tex 109. A lot of chickens here. Back up here. Back to front of the yard. Well, oh my god, my hand is cold. Yeah, I'm gonna fight. Dig that. I got this piece. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Just watching, peace. So I got to see you guys next week. Peace.